Sellers, how do you make the most of your home sale and avoid leaving money on the table? If you're a homeowner in Wheat Ridge or Arvada preparing to sell, listen up. Hi, I'm Suzy Stewardson with the Summit team, and I'm here to help you get top dollar for your home. Now, selling a property can be a major financial decision, and we want to make sure you maximize your return on investment. So here's a quick list of to-dos and things that'll put you in the best possible position for a successful sale. First things first. Make a strong first impression. When buyers walk into your home, you want them to feel instantly connected to the space. In Wheat Ridge and Arvada, where we see a range of historic and modern homes, creating an inviting, memorable experience can make all the difference. Here's how to get started. Number 1, declutter and depersonalize. Remove family photos, keepsakes, and anything that might distract buyers from envisioning themselves in your living space. A clean, neutral canvas allows buyers to picture their own lives in the space. Take care of repairs and maintenance. Visible issues like leaky faucets, chipped paint, squeaky doors can all distract buyers and impact their perception of value. Well-maintained home not only looks better, but also supports a higher asking price. If you know certain repairs are needed, consider handling them before the listing. This way, buyers are less likely to request repair credits, helping you keep more money in your pocket. Number 3, don't underestimate curb appeal. Curb appeal is crucial here in Wheat Ridge and Arvada. Tree-lined streets and well-kept neighborhoods are the norm. Invest in simple landscaping, tidying up your yard, and consider a power wash for the home's exterior. A welcoming exterior is the first thing buyers see when they arrive, and it can set a positive tone for the entire showing. And finally, one of the most important steps, set the price right. Pricing your home correctly in today's market is critical. Wheat Ridge and Arvada have seen steady demand, but overpricing can cause your home to sit on the market longer, while underpricing could mean leaving money on the table. That's why it's essential to work with an experienced agent who can perform a detailed market analysis. We look at comparable properties in recent sales and current conditions to set a price that attracts buyers while maximizing your return. If you're ready to navigate the sale of your home and ensure you're not leaving any money on the table, reach out to my team and me. We'll guide you through every step to make sure you're getting the best possible outcome. I'm Suzy Stewardson, your trusted real estate expert with the Summit team, here to provide you with the experience, expertise, and excellence you deserve in Wheat Ridge and Arvada.